They broke you with their words, with their silence, with the promises they never kept. They shattered the parts of you they didn't understand and walked away like nothing happened. You gave your all, and still they chose to leave. You stayed loyal, and still they betrayed you. You held on, even when your hands were bleeding, and still they let go. My dear child, I am with you right now, speaking directly to your heart. Do not be afraid. What they broke, I am rebuilding, stronger, wiser, braver. I saw every tear they never cared to wipe. I held you in moments you thought no one was watching. You thought the pain would destroy you, but I'm using it to reshape you. Every piece that fell apart, I'm putting back together, with purpose, not just pain. You were not abandoned. You were being refined. I never left your side. I never stopped loving you. The heartbreak was not the end of your story. It was the beginning of your becoming. Soon those who broke you will see what I made from the ruins. Your smile will return, your peace will overflow, and your purpose will shine like never before. Say this out loud. Lord, rebuild me stronger. I trust your hands more than their words. This is your healing season. This is your rise. You are not broken. You are becoming unshakable.